Welcome to Align Trading. Go over the trades I took today and what went on in the market. We had the gap up because of what I said in yesterday's video with the trap that it was setting to pay attention to that as well as the moving average, and I'll go over that in a minute. But first, breaking down on the 1 minute chart, this is what we had today. So right here off open, we had this cup forming this inverse cup with this handle right here. You could have taken for head and shoulder with some continuation structure right here. And then what we started to form for a couple hours was this cup right here, as well as the handle and the tapering algorithm right here, which is why, again, like yesterday, I took almost the same setup of trade. You can go back and look at those, but this is why I took this. We have this head and shoulder right here with it. Verse, see this other mini cup forming as well. We get another algorithm right here with the same taper and to the continuation structure. The reason I started scaling out towards the top pretty heavy as my final sell was right on this candle is we started to get kind of a tapering with this algorithm right here, and I didn't want to mess with it as this liquidity was here for this head and this shoulder, which possibly was something like that. Or as you see, we finished this cup down to this level right here and started to get maybe a handle for something like that to break us down. So that's why I got out. Now let's go to the 30-minute chart. Now on the 30-minute chart, like I was saying yesterday, the algorithm you had to pay attention to for today is this one right here. We had the tapering, this orange, as we did down here, and we get the move up, as well as the same thing here, the move goes up. So right here again, watch this algorithm right here, this blue algorithm. Do we stay within it? We can even come down. Do we find something like this to go out and get the continuation structure? But we also have to pay attention to tapering that is going on at the top here. So we come back down into this, and if you can see, we're starting to form something like this possibly. So if we start to form this cup down here, right? Get a handle here, finish here. That is something that we can do as well, completing this larger cup and eventually completing it down this way like that. Again, what you're going to have to pay attention to tomorrow is going to be this moving average sitting right here. Do we come down with a handle controlled to it and touch it sitting at this level, right, and get a bounce? Or do we somehow form resistance here and head lower, testing this one right here? As I said in last night's video, pay attention to the moving average. Do we bounce off of it, or do we form some sort of resistance and reject it to continue lower down to this 20-day? And we got the bounce off of it, so pay attention to that as well tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you at open.